Time for Fix It Fun with the Drill and Learn Workbench from VTech.
What do you want to build today? Let's get started!
This colorful tool station is loaded with learning activities for young DIYers. Grab one of the 3 Kid Tough Pretend power tools and set them on the power zone to trigger sounds.
A drill press makes the sound.
Songs.
We're in the workshop, bang, bang, bang.
And facts.
The drill is red.
Use the hammer, wrench, and screwdriver to construct the building pieces. Follow the instructions for 9 different projects or get inspired to make a unique creation. Press the colorful tool buttons and turn the gears to learn how they work and hear fun sound effects. Then practice measuring with the slider tool. Organize the workspace and store all the pieces to be ready for the next fun project.
How do you finish a project? A little bit at a time.
Nailed it! No job is too big or too small with the Drill and Learn Workbench from VTech.